Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac. Welcome to NCR India free tutorial channel on YouTube. Here in this tutorial I'm going to continue my previous program of user menu calculator. So first of all, open Eclipse. Now here you can see, first of all I'll delete this token. Yeah. Now here you can see that till now we have already made the user menu for the user. Okay, and after that we have accepted a single number, the first number from the user, and after that we have accepted the character key from the user as per the operation he wants to perform. It could be plus, minus, multiply or division. Right, now we have to accept the second number from the user as we do in the calculator, right? So for the second number, declare the second integer variable k2, and remember that we cannot only declare, we also have to initialize this variable here before using a scanner. Okay, now let's make scanner again. Make the object num2 is equal to new to allocate the memory to the object num2. Write scanner system.in. Okay, yeah, and after that k2 plus is equal to num2 dot next int. I've already explained the syntax, right? So now here we have also accepted the second number from the user in our variable k2. If you want to run this program and see, here you will have to supply one first number, then your operational key, plus, minus, division, multiply, it could be anything, and after the second number. Till this end we have done it, everything about the programs. Right, now after that we have to set the operations on the basis of the operational key, right? So I'm gonna use again if else if ladder for that. Let's make a if. As you also know that B is an array of character, and we have already supplied the single character to this array, so obviously this array has only has a size of only one space of character, right? Because the array is a collection of same data type values. So as we have already declared as an array of characters, so it may have it is an array of all the character type values, as we have only supplied the single character, plus, minus, multiply or division, right? So on the basis of that, it will only have a single size, a single space of a single space for the single character. So its size has to be only one. Okay, now after that I'm just writing the conditions here. Let's say if, cause this array has only single character, okay, it has only one size, so obviously its first element will be containing our character value, and first element in array refers to B of array index 0. Okay, so we're going to check for this value. If this value is equal to, if it matches to the operational key plus, then it will execute these statements, that k1 will be the k2 will be added to number k1 like this. Okay, it means that k2 is adding to the number k1, and the addition value will be supplied to the variable k1. Okay, so now the sum is contained in the variable k1. Put else if for the second condition, B of 0 may also have the operational key as minus, right? So according to that I have to write the conditions like k1 minus is equal to k2 semicolon. That's it. Or else if it may have the value of b 0 is equal to I mean it may have the multiplication operation key, and for that we'll have to multiply these two numbers and the value will be supplied to the variable k1 like this. Okay. Or the last option, for that we don't need to provide any condition for it because we know the last option will have to be the division, right? And for division we have to do this / is equal to k2. Okay. And now our process has been done, and after this if else if ladder, just print out the value of k1, that if it is a sum. Okay, let's add it in the above boxes. Print sum is plus k1. Here we'll write subtraction or subtracted value output of, let's write subtraction is plus k1. It means the value of k2 will be subtracted from k1. Okay. And in this case write it's multiplication. The multiplication of two numbers is k1. Okay. And here it will be the division is k1 again. Remember that, guys, these statements are like these can be written as like this: k1 is equal to k1 plus k2. You can also write these statements like that, and both have the same meaning: k1 minus k2, or k1 multiplied with k2. Okay. Or k1 divided by k2, and the result will be supplied to the variable k1. Okay. So remove it. Yeah. Now run this program. It says press plus to add numbers, plus minus subtract numbers. So this is the menu. Now enter your first number. We should also ask this from the user, that I enter your first number after showing this menu, right? So let's add something after this block of 4, that enter your, or make the calculation. In that way the user has to supply the first number, right? After he will see this make the calculation, he will supply the first number 1, and after that you can supply any of the operational key: plus, minus, multiplication, or division. Let's say I'm supplying minus, then 2. The subtraction is -1, right? So it's working. And there's one more, I guess there is one more problem if we see it. Yeah, in the case of when you will divide the two values, let's say I'm going to divide the values now, run again. 1 divided by 2, the answer will be 0, because these variables are integer type variable. So it will be better if we make these variables as double type variables, so that they can also show the numbers after the first decimal, the first number after the decimal, right? And for that you will have to make these variables as of double type. Int has to be a variable of double type. Okay, and here this function will be changed to the next int to next double, like this. Okay, make it also a double type variable. Right, now run the program again, and let's see. Put 1 minus 2, the answer is minus 1.0. Now even if you divide or multiply the numbers, even if you provide the numbers with the first with the decimal numbers, and then it will work for you. Multiplied 3.3, answer is this. So in that way we can make a user manual calculator by using Java. So that's all about this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. So keep watching NCR India, and please don't forget to put your views and comments, and please subscribe for our channel if you like our videos. Thank you.